A very good morning to all. I am Vishnu Berinan of Class 8. Me, with my team members, created a project for Atal Space Innovation Challenge called ChandraSower, the sea sower in Moon. So the problem is, Earth has fixed water and land, but population is not fixed. The population increases, leading to more land that is necessary for agriculture and water requirement. So we need to find a way to inhabit somewhere other than Earth to get more water, land, food, and avoid scarcity. To inhabit, we need sunlight, water, shelter, and food. Sunlight is available in Moon. Frozen water is also found. Shelter can be created. Food is need to be created, and that is our robot's work. So this is the proof that frozen water is found in Moon. So for this robot, I have used an ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance, a plow, and on top of this, I have used a concave lens to melt the frozen water. I have used a Bluetooth, temperature sensor, and Arduino Nano. The whole model is a tractor-like model for efficient cultivation. The other side, I have the battery box, and on top of this, I have the seed dropper which drops the seed. Finally, at the back, I have the back motor. The technology used is concave lens, object at infinity based. So all the sun rays will meet at this point, and since there is the ice, we can melt the ice. I have used the Bluetooth HC05 for prototype. In future, radio waves as in satellites can be used. Ultrasonic sensor for distance measurement and temperature humidity sensor to plan when to start sowing seeds is used. In future, camera can be used for analyzing the process. The technology used software is Android Studio and Arduino. The salient or important features are lenses used to melt frozen water, tractor-like prototype, temperature reduction, distance reduction. The process is the temperature and humidity sensor will sense to start the process at the right time. Use the plow to plow the soil. Wait for a while in a place where frozen water is found to melt using the lens. Seed dropper vibrates to sow the seed. Use the camera to check the process. And throughout these four processes, we will sense using the ultrasonic sensor to avoid the obstacle. So now I will on the app that I have created using Android Studio. The app name is Serially Monitor. Now I'll give the select devices button. It's asking to turn on the Bluetooth. I'll give yes. After turning on, I'm searching and selecting the HC05, that is my Bluetooth name. Now I will turn to the landscape. So here it is showing the details. I will give the clear input button. Now it is showing the time. If I take off the include time, it is not showing. I will give the include time for better results and analyzation. So here it is showing the 32 degrees Celsius, that is the temperature, humidity 60, 24 centimeter, that is the distance. So now I will keep the object at this near. It is showing 5 centimeter. Now as I take off the object, it is showing 20 nearly, and if I take off further, it is showing 30. So now I will on the model. The next part is the seed dropper. The seed dropper will work like this. First it will open, then it will vibrate. After the required amount of seed is put, it will move forward. Again it will repeat the process. That is, it will open, vibrate, then close. That's how it will be. So I have also created a lander for this robot. The lander name is Black Box Lander, a lander based on black box. The problem is current lander are not hard enough to absorb great shocks like Chandrayaan-2, which lost its connection. If it was hard enough, it might have not crashed, and when it got its connection, it could work. Inspired by Woodpecker's shock absorbing method and aeroplane's black box, we have created the solution. So inside this black box lander, our robots will be placed. So this is the model. Next, the technology used is black box technology based on Woodpecker. Outside there will be an external metal, then there will be a viscoelastic layer, then a metal enclosure, then a metal glass. Finally, there will be a data storage device. Instead, we are keeping our robots here. So this is how the structure will be. The technology used software is SketchUp Web. Salient features are it could withstand an impact of 3400 G. Not only it can withstand an impact of 3400 G, and also it can withstand an impact of temperatures over 1000 degrees Celsius. So to sum up, with this ChandraSower, if plant growth succeeds, people can start to inhabit and move. Also, we can use this robot to melt and drink frozen water in future. We can use the black box lander to land robots safe and survive in harsh climate.